this video, I will show you how to set sell stop limit on Bitvavo. So in order to do this, you need to go over to your browser and then you need to go to Pro Mode in here. And in this section, you can select the crypto that you want to set this limit for. And let's say we want to set it for Bitcoin, then we select Bitcoin. And to set the sell limit, we click on sell. And in here you see stop limit. So let's go ahead and click on this. And as you can see in here, we can set a trigger price. So we also see the limit price that is set by default. And this is based on the last price, as you can see, and that is this price. So let's say that we want to sell if our Bitcoin is 97,000. So then we're going to enter this and you see that this will be set to this price. So right now below you can select a percentage of your Bitcoins that you want to add to this limit. So let's say we want to add 20%. Then we can click on preview sell order in here. And once you click on this, your Bitcoin will be sold once the actual price reaches the 97,000. So you only need to click on preview sell order and then click on confirm, and then it will happen. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when you do it with, let's just take 1% and click on preview sell order. Now you need to click on confirm and place order in here. And as you can see, we have made an order right now. And when you go back to your account and go back to your portfolio, you will see that your Bitcoin is still in your account because, of course, the actual price did not reach my trigger at this moment. But once it will be sold automatically. And that is how you do it. So our sell stop limit order is now placed. And let's say that you want to remove this. Then you need to go over to this section in here. And here you will see your order. And when you click on this icon in here, you will cancel it. And you can also click on cancel all orders if you have more. So let's say I want to cancel this one. Then I'm going to click on this. And as you can see, it is already canceled. So that is how you do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.